Good morning, folks. This is day 3 of July's camping challenge. Oh, yeah, we're just getting up. Well, I am. Wonderful, wonderful night's sleep. Sorry we did not film a lot yesterday, but we'll do some filming today after breakfast and coffee. Alright? Alright, folks, look who we have here. Rise and shine time. We're making breakfast. Believe it, we are making breakfast. So he cut the bacon that I smoked right here. It's still mystery bacon because I don't know which packet I've got. I don't know if I got the maple brown sugar or the cracked black pepper. It looks like maple brown sugar. I don't see any black pepper, but we don't know for sure. And then over here, staying warm by the fire. Staying warm by the fire is our fried potatoes. Right there. Oh yeah. It's just hanging out, staying warm. We're gonna get some eggs on and some bacon. Oh no, we're gonna get some eggs on and some. You want pancakes today?
Oh, I think bacon and eggs ought to be good.
Okay, I think so too, because I think we forgot the syrup. So, yep, that's what we're doing. And then we're going to be throwing some knives and some what do you call them? Hatchets, right?
Tomahawks.
Tomahawks. Knives and tomahawks here later. And then after that, we'll go up the hill and do some shooting. There we go. And here comes Janice on her four-wheeler. Yeah, I'm gonna learn how to pan today. Brandon and Bill's gonna teach me how to pan. Brenda and myself how to pan, so that's the awesome thing right there. That's our hostess with the mostest, Janice, coming in here right now. All right, so now people are starting to wake up. We have ready to make eggs. I got some over hard, some scrambled in bacon grease, and there's everybody enjoying some coffee. We got Bear to CB82 right here. We got my lovely wife Brenda right there. Our host Bill and our hostess Janice right there. We're all enjoying coffee. Welcome back to another great day. So we have a very interesting conversation going. If you won the lottery, what is the first gun you would buy? I mean, you won the lottery, so mine, personally, is the AX-50. That's what I would get. Brenda, what would you get?
Well, since you took mine,
I took yours. Okay, the 308 yeah. From AX. Okay, you?
The first pistol I'd get would be a 686 plus and 357, and the first rifle I'd get would be the Barrett 82A1A. 70 auto 50 caliber. That's been my wet dream gun since I was like 10.
Okay. All right, Bill. What would you get?
Well, mine's not so fancy. I'd just get my first gun because I'd be running to the store. It would be a Glock 19.
Oh, okay. Something simple.
And then I'd be getting better rifles.
Okay.
But I'd have to do a little research.
So, guys, what would you guys get? Put your comments in the below and let us know. All right, that was an interesting question right there. All right, folks, here comes some fun times. We are gonna throw some knives and some, what did we call it again?
Tomahawk.
Tomahawks. All right, we're gonna throw all 5, and then it'll be a round robin. Okay, we're gonna start with Bear to CB82.
Put me on the spot.
Okay, yeah, let you be the first. Close. Close.
Down low.
Oh, dang.
I would have knocked him out.
Yep. Smacking them pretty good.
Nothing else, you make them jump.
Yep. Oh, dang.
That one was close.
Very close.
A little bit too on the top. This is harder than you'd think
Mm-hmm.
with this one because it's real heavy.
Oh, if it would have been a hair higher, it would have stuck. All right. Who's up next? Ooh, if it would have been the other end.
Aiming for the head.
Oh, you
That
were...
was good all day.
He was hitting it all day to get it on film, and nope. Oh. Oh!
She worked her way up.
She sure did.
It stuck for a minute. That's good. Put it right in the head there. Okay.
I'm going to start with the tomahawk instead. So.
I noticed that it's almost leaving the hand a little bit sideways.
Oh, dang. That
Little
is
short.
heavy. Pretty
Yeah.
heavy.
Pretty straight.
All right, then.
This it looked to me like when it was hitting a little bit sideways.
Ooh, there you go. Two. Hey.
Let's don't do. No, we gotta do that strut you were doing yesterday.
Oh, yeah. No, only if
Aim
I
for
got
the
3
nuts.
in a row. It was in the nuts. Over. This one counts. You have to stick something to get a beer.
Stuck it in the dirt.
Oh. Hey! It's a beer!
Since that was a practice round, her first two didn't count.
Ooh. Oh, that's nice, Bill. He still gets a beer. Let's see if he can get a second beer. Oh!
One on each corner.
Yeah. 2 beers.
Yesterday was bad.
Let's see if Brenda gets a beer. Oh,
Stuck in the ground.
oh, she got a beer.
That was close.
1 beer for Brenda.
All right. Oh,
Right here.
yeah, it did.
I won't get a beer.
There it is.
Oh.
All right, folks, so Bearded CBE 82 is going to show me how to pan for gold.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully we get some flakes, maybe a big nugget. Yeah, big nugget, so we can
We
pay,
hope.
pay for future trips or something like that.
Well,
Come back and
I
watch
think
us.
the property owner wants 10%.
Oh, man.
Sounds
Bill,
good to me.
10% for real? 10% of nothing is still nothing.
Unfortunate.
Hey, Brandon, can you kind of tell us what you're doing and why did you pick this spot?
I picked this spot because I saw the rock.
Oh,
and
this,
then yeah, he confirmed that it's all bedrock down in through here.
okay.
And we've already found plenty of iron, black sands, a lot of garnets from where I test ran farther up the creek.
Mm-hmm.
But so that's, you know, nice. I showed you guys yesterday. I just didn't put it on film on what we're doing here. So we're digging at the base of where this little bedrock falls off, because that'll be one of the first places it settles, along with all the other heavies, all the garnets, the black sands, which is iron tight, you take a magnet to it, it'll stick. I should have brought a magnet.
Awesomeness. But if we were still hungry, we could eat all those snails.
Oh, don't forget the tadpoles and the snake.
Yeah.
Oh, I love tadpoles. Tadpoles are really good. Because you know what it is? It's a frog without all the bones. Seriously. That's what a tadpole is. All right. So we're going to watch this process, and then we're going to give it a try, right?
Yep.
So you just went ahead and dug some of the sand up or sediment up, and you put it in. I heard you say some numbers.
Yep, I got a 1/4 inch mesh and an 1/8 inch mesh, which is just a screen. Here's a 16th. So,
Can you guys see that? There. Yep.
yeah,
Okay.
they're screen meshes. These ones are 1 inch sizes, and they go way down to sub 200. So that's 1/4 the size of a grain of salt.
Okay. Wow.
There's, you got your sub 50 mesh, which is really small. That's about less than the size of a grain of salt. So just to give you guys an idea. So we're gonna sift this out. We might maybe find an arrowhead too when we sift it out.
That's true.
Dibs on the first arrowhead.
Nope.
They drop over edges.
Yep. They will drop because usually there's something heavier like the quartzite, like this guy right here. That's quartz.
Sandstone. I know that
Yeah,
one.
that's little sandstone. Yeah, that's a quartzite piece. So we're going to be checking these out just in case there might be something attached to them after we get them washed. But there's a lot of little bitty quartzites in here as well. It's been rolling around. That piece of flagstone I'm not too worried about.
And I already found a piece of flint right there. Uh-huh.
Yep. So, and I was keeping an eye out for arrowheads, so I didn't really bother to check for geodes. This is geode country down here, so.
All right. So so that we know what we're gonna be doing. Show us what we're doing.
Oh, I already got a pan full there.
Oh,
Hand me
okay.
that other pan.
Okay. As it floats away, there you go.
All right. So.
Okay.
What I'll do, just load that up with more water, and then I'll shake it back and forth, and all the small stuff will sift through each of the 2 pans.
Oh. Oh, okay. Cool, cool, cool.
Real easy. And yeah, you'll check it, but I don't think we'll see anything. Oh.
What is that?
Oh crap, I forgot the name of it off the top of my head. It starts with like a B or an M. Just redstone.
Color rock?
Yeah, it's a color. Yeah, color rock.
There you go.
I forget. I got a nice specimen back home.
Yeah, the red rock is fine so that you can write on things with.
So Brenda wants the top layer for arrowheads, right, honey?
No arrowheads right off the bat. But
All right.
see what else we got. Quartz, snow quartz crystals. Oh, a clear one, little bitty one. So, but just like that. So, in case you find any sizable gems, I've yet to find a sizable garnet.
But I want one. I have one. I just need some more.
So you'll just siphon through that real quick.
Oh.
Don't see
awesome.
anything you like, toss it. Next one, same thing, do a little bit more shake. Load her back up with some more water. And you'll siphon through this. The 1/8 inch you might find maybe a garnet, lots of quartz. That's good. Lots, all the white, lots of quartzite, pink quartzite. You got your white, you got your citrine right there. Another nice little chunk of pink quartzite. But yeah, trying to find a good sized garnet's a pain in the butt around here.
All right, now show us how you're gonna pan the little stuff.
Oh yeah, we're getting to that. I just like to double check because if you do get a picker, it might be in here. But
I'm gonna turn your GoPro just a hair so that you're. There you go.
oh, thank you. I'm probably out of focus in mine. Well, mine's got a wide field of view.
Yeah, but I wanted it better field of view because I can see where your head and your eyes are. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
You're there now.
So we're checking.
Oh, so this is that clear
That's quartz.
quartz.
That's
you guys
part
see
of a
how
quartz.
white that is? There you go.
Yep, part of a
Yep.
quartz crystal.
And there's a few, like I said, several. We've actually.
No,
Yeah.
quartz any valuable at all? No. Okay.
Unless it's a big crystallized form like the big crystal chunks. There's a piece of rose quartz.
Okay.
Really nice little piece of rose quartz.
And
Alright.
if you know what you're doing, you can make rose quartz into jewelry.
And what kind of jewelry would you make?
Well, if it's rose quartz, since I have large wrists and can't buy a bracelet in a normal store, I would make a bracelet
Oh,
to
awesome.
fit this fat wrist.
All right. There you go. All right, so now we're getting to the
I bought
fine
CDs
stuff.
to do that with.
Go ahead and load your pan up if we want.
All right.
All right.
All right, so he's going to show us the fine stuff now. As you guys see, he just shakes and
This is
sift.
just how much we got it loaded, about half full. And a lot of sand in here, so all that stuff's usually going to set to the top.
All right.
And now we're just getting it to settle, basically. All the real light stuff to the top, all the heavies to the bottom. And so just the swirling, it's basically concreting everything up, bounce it together, and we'll just take a couple nice little swoops off that. And we wash it, do it again. Usually, it's real comfortable if you get down kind of like this and do it. Just kind of rest, or you find a nice rock to sit on. But I just threw a whole bunch of wet rock on. Or like up on the bank would be a good one right here, just to how the bank sits. Let it everything kind of settle. Sweep it off. And same thing.
No.
Back and forth. You want it to go in one circular motion. If you're right or left-handed, it doesn't matter as long as you continue to go. Start tilting.
So heavy metals go to the bottom.
All the metals, all the irons, all the heavy stones will settle at the bottom. And just kind of run that. Now we're getting into some blacks, which hard to say. This is all glacial loam right through here, so there's a lot of settling, and the fact it's stopped up against the bedrock is nice.
Okay.
I've been looking for a place like this for a while. Shake it back and forth, let it cement. Back and forth, a little bit more water. Get all these blondes out. Put the brakes on it, make sure it settles.
I see something down there. Go ahead. I saw something shiny. Go. Keep going though.
Yeah, you might run into some pyrite and then some, it looks like platinum. It's a silverish. I forget what the heck that is off. Oh boy, that's
Boy,
a lot of garnet.
Stop. Yeah, I
That's
see
a lot of
gold. Folks, I hope you guys are enjoying day 3. We are just going to keep panning. We're going to keep looking for stuff. I personally am going to be looking for more of a flint, because I'm trying to get flint steel package together for my own personal giveaway later on. So just continue to watch. Thank you for staying with us so far. All right. So the kids found a snake. What kind of snake is that?
I don't know.
It's a water snake, we know that, right? But I don't know if it's poisonous, so we're not going to play with him. We're going to leave
Kill
him be. Yep. No, we are not going to kill him. No, we are not going to kill him. He's not bothering us. He's not hurting us. All right? So as BJ was saying, fill it with water. Swirl it around. Light stuff will come up and go out. Right? Isn't that what he said?
And the heavy stuff sinks.
It sinks. All right. So then he did one of these things, whatever that does, and then you swirl it some more. Well, I found some weird stuff looking down there.
I saw something shiny.
You saw something shiny?
Yeah, before you started stirring.
But when we stir, all the light stuff goes out with the stir, right? So, let's see. I don't know what each thing is, but see all this stuff came down to the bottom really fast, so I don't know. Let's see. He said the black stuffs are garnets. So is that garnet right there? And let's dump off the water. I have no idea. Doesn't it just like dirt, 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 sand, dirt, dirt, dirt? I don't see anything shiny like gold would be. Nope. Nothing shiny like gold would be. Right? Did you see anything shiny? So supposedly I found a piece of gold.
Nice little.
It is right here. Oh, right there. Can y'all see that? Because I basically cannot see it, but that is supposed to be it. It may be worth what? A nickel? Not even a nickel. All right. Oh, I found another piece.
Let's see. Nope, that's rock.
It looks exactly like what you just. And what are we doing right now?
Sucking it up.
Oh, okay. Well, folks, we have had an awesome time this weekend. We want to thank Bill, our super duper host. Man, this has been a great area. Fantastic weather. We want to thank, what's your name again?
Roscoe.
Roscoe for joining us. And the hottie Beth over there.
Hi.
So, folks, I will put links to certain people down below, like Bear to CB82 and other people that we gave props to. Thank you so much for joining us. So until next time, may all your adventures be A-OK.
Oh, we also found out panning is not her strong suit.
All right, folks, we'll see you later on.